Alright guys, we got a pump that decided it didn't want to work this year. So we're going to replace it. So I'll show you what it's doing. You go to plug it in, and it instantly trips the GFI. So that is a dead indication that it is bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect that pump, put that brand new one in there. Let me get this sucker out and I'll show you what we gotta do. Alright, so some pumps have a fern cove. This one has a union where this is just threaded onto that. You just loosen that up, pump will come right on out. Alright, and only thing I do is take this standpipe off, thread it on here, drop the new pump in, plug her in, and we're good to go. Alright guys, we got the new pump all set up, ready to roll. What we're going to do is undo this, undo the cord, take this bad boy, drop her right back in here like this. Alright, we got it all hooked up. Let's get her plugged in and see what she'll do. Alright, so we're going to take this bad boy, put it over here like this for right now. Plug her in. I hear something. Let's go up to the falls and see if she's there. Alright guys, sorry. So what happened was I couldn't get, water wasn't flowing up here. So what happened usually is sometimes when you put air in the system, sometimes these pumps get what they call hydrolocked, where air gets trapped in like that check valve right there, and it won't allow water up to the falls. So sometimes you gotta just shut it off for a minute and let it get all the trapped air out. And once all the trapped air is out, it starts, turn it back on, and it starts running again. And I'll show you. And I'd say we are pretty good. Alright, she is up and running, guys. So if you pump, now sometimes what you could do is that if your pond doesn't have a GFI, when you plug a pump in that's going bad, it'll actually continue to run, because GFIs will trip as soon as these pumps start drawing too much amps. But if the problem with a non-GFI plug is then you're tripping breakers in your house, which you don't want because it's also a fire hazard. So always make sure that you guys have a GFI by your pond to help prevent fires and safety. See you guys on the next one.